we may write down the only the base things of the user stories or base part of the user stories. Okay, then gradually we will add more information. Okay, we'll bring some more information on the all these user stories. Okay.
Okay.
So what we can do, just let's like just get the assign first, then we can just start at least, because it's not like that you guys not will not have any questions, so you will face so many questions, and then we will like get the answers also. So based on that, you just can continue.
Okay.
Okay. So you can note down like the for you can select the user and category. Then for the for the Fauzia, you can select the product and and brand campaign also uh address. Okay, you can also get the address and the product Fauzia. Okay,
Okay.
let me write here first so that I can also remember. So Famid is the user and category. Then Fauzia is like product and address. Then Perana is order and review. Yeah, order and review. And Faria can take the like campaign and brand. Mm,
If we have any questions, do we contact or should we wait until Friday for the review?
no, like if you have any question, you can give send the question on the chat on the group. So like if it is possible to give you the answer or to give you the solution on the fly, so you'll get the answer on the fly, I mean on the chat. Otherwise, if we need to set up a meeting, we can set up a meeting. It's not like that you have to wait for the whole weeks to get your one answer. Okay, so best practice is like whatever you have the like feature. So first of all, you create the feature, then also first of all execute these APIs so that you will get some idea. Okay, like what you have to do or what you can write here. Okay, I'm writing this API. I'm writing the user stories because I have ideas of the how these APIs work. So this is the same expectation or same tricks I can say you that just go over your this request, then see that how it works. Okay, what it needs to give the information, what is the dependency. Okay, try to figure out those, then you will be able to like write down the user story easily. And as I said, just first of all, yeah, use the same template, copy and paste the template, or copy, keep the template on a notepad or on a doc file, whatever. Then just simply copy and paste in your user story description box. Then just write down the information under the title. Okay, I mean under the headlines of those of the template.
And this is going to be same format always, like how you used it here?
Yeah, most of the thing you will get the same here. Like in the only thing like here for the gate API, for the only the gate API and the here you will not get any payload, by the way. Okay, so gate API does not have any payload, so that means in for the gate API you don't need to mention any payload there.
Okay.
Okay, get means only just to read. Whenever we are
Yes,
sending any request to only read the information, for that we need
yes.
to send the
And it
get. So
does
you
not
guys
have
already
body,
know.
you're saying. In
Yeah,
post, it has a body.
yeah, because we are sending some information into the server. So that's
Right.
why it has the body.
So what should I do on the get thing, like for the response body on Visual
Yeah,
Studio? Do you
it's
write
like
anything
the response
or
body. Like if you send a, if you try it out, then if you send the request, you will get the response body. The response, it has the response body, but it does not have any request body basically.
I mean, yeah, request bodies. Okay, I got it.
Okay.
Okay.
So anything else from anyone? Okay, I think if you don't have any question, so I think you guys can continue. Just
I
start.
I
Yeah,
think
it's
Faria is here. Maybe you can tell what she got. Or she's here, I think.
yeah. Faria joins late, so she has to watch this video, this workshop video, so she will get the idea. But I can say in a nutshell that this is the Swagger link. I'll share the link obviously. So you have been assigned the I forgot by the way. Okay,
Oh,
the
I have it here.
campaign. Yeah, campaign and the
Campaign
brand.
and brand.
Yep.
Yes.
So this, based on this request, you have to write down the user story, and how to do that. You have to watch the workshop, because I already showed. I have written two user stories based on this request. So you have to watch and you have to do the same way. And if you have any question, if anyone have any question, then you have to like send the message into the chat, group chat. So we'll answer there actually.
Right. And we have it in Agile. The project name is Single Honor E-commerce.
Yes,
Where
and
we
let
have,
me check that you guys are already there or not. Fahmid, Faria, Fahmid. Okay, I think except um
I don't see
Farhana,
myself. Yes.
everyone is there. Okay, Farhana, what's your email?
It's NHJBN.
Can you please send me into the chat, in the Zoom chat, so that I can simply copy and paste here.
Okay.
Uh,
I just sent.
Yeah. Yeah, you also added. So let me also send you the link to everyone, so that you guys can simply get the project. Where is the chat here? Okay, so this is the
Prantham,
project.
can you put the link on the thing our PO group
Yeah,
chat?
yeah, I'm sending there.
Okay.
Then also let me send you the Swagger URL or link, whatever I say. Swagger. Okay.
And also we can review each other's work once
Sure.
we have done
Yeah,
some.
you guys
We,
can help each other. That,
yeah.
yeah, and you have to basically you have to help each other,
Yes, yes.
because
Are you
maybe
in for this FEMIT or Fozia?
Yeah,
yeah, maybe like for the
no choice.
user, some from the user end, like Famid may need help from the Farhana, or Famid may need help from the Fauzia, or like when Faria will trying to do from the campaign, she may needs help from Hamid. So you guys have to basically work together also, because
So we are not going
there
to
are
have the.
dependency.
Yes, I'm sorry. Go ahead.
Yeah, go on.
We're not going to have our PO meeting on Saturday, so I think we can have it before.
Yes. Yeah. So you guys can set up meeting individual. I mean, you guys can set up a meeting for yourself. Then you guys can go over and see that how these APIs work, and you can see that what is the dependency for which API. It will help you a lot.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So anything else?
No, not from me.
I think we
Oh,
will have the questions later on once we start.
yep. I am expecting that also.
Yeah,
So
we'll have
yeah,
a lot of questions.
you guys can continue. Then if you have any question, obviously we'll solve it. Okay.
Yes. And
So let
e-commerce is
me.
working now, right?
Yes.